Are you new to grant writing? Well, I want you to listen in carefully to me because here's one big mistake that I see a lot of newbies make when they're going after grants. They think that grant writing is simply what they write on paper and that they submit to the funder. And yes, that's one very important part. But there's this whole other offshoot of things that are connected with grant writing and grant development that's equally as important, if not more. And that is the communication that you have with funders offline and off paper. And you want to make sure when you're writing grants that you are conversing and interacting with the funder. You need to learn the funder's love language. The funder has a language that is their love language, things that they want to see happen. And you, as the grantor looking to seek grant funding, need to learn what that love language is. And it's almost like the difference between a guy who is going up to a girl and he's trying to talk to her, but he doesn't know what to say. He's fumbling, he's stumbling, versus the guy who's coming up, has the right look, the right words, the right charisma, the right smell, all of those things that make that person more attractive to this prospective funder. It's the same way. So think about this almost as a romance, as a courtship, because that's exactly what it is. And if you can take that and put that into your grant efforts, you will be more successful. Now, maybe you're a beginner, or maybe you've been writing grants before and you haven't been doing this. You definitely need to go over to Grant Writing for Beginners and check out my free online training that I have, especially for you, so that you can learn what you need to do and what mistakes you don't want to make so that you can become more successful in your grant pursuit. So go over there, check that out. And if you found what I just shared helpful, like, subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment below and let's have some dialogue. Funders want to give you funding, but they also want to be romanced. So take that advice and then go win. Take care. Bye-bye.